I am just heading out right now to run some errands, and then I am picking up my mom tomorrow for New Year's Eve, so we can have a mom-daughter New Year's Eve celebration. So I just wanted to show you some of my favorite wigs in 2022, and I want you to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if any of mine are some of your favorites that you're wearing, or let me know what you are wearing that you are loving. And of course, this is Natalia in Sunlit Sable. She is one of my favorites. She is so cute with the hat, and I'm bundled up here because it's cold. So, and like I said, I'm off to run errands. I've got a bunch of stuff that I need to do. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let's get to looking and seeing what wigs have I loved in 2022.
Encore from Style by Jaclyn Smith in the color Wildflower Honey has been one of my favorites this fall. I just love the dimension of this color and the ease of this style. Haven in Sunkissed Rooted was a favorite of mine this summer. I just loved her subtle waves and her style, and you could still pick her up on clearance. Long Leading Lady in the color Wildflower Honey has been one of my favorites. I love the lace front and the beautiful waves. Versafiber Heidi in Wheat Rooted was one of my absolute favorites this summer. I loved the blonde, and the rooting just made it look so natural. Such an effortless, beautiful style. Dream from the Heart of Gold collection in the color Buttered Toast is so beautiful. I love this one. Bridget in the color Caramelized Brown Rooted. Such a beautiful style, and I wore this one on my first meeting with Jaclyn Smith and Jose Hebert when we met for dinner in Beverly Hills. I loved wearing Bridget in Wildflower Honey when I went out to California to meet with Jaclyn Smith and Jose Hebert. I just love this style. I have to say, this was Jaclyn's favorite style on me as well. Isn't she just gorgeous? Another favorite this fall has been Versafiber Heidi in Honey Rooted. I just love this one. Ashley in Honey Rooted is still one of my all-time favorites, and I love wearing the shorter ones on the weekends or when I'm out running errands. They're so fun. The biggest wow factor, gorgeous hair for me this year has been these braided updo wigs from Paula Young. This is the double braid updo in Rosewood. It is so amazingly gorgeous. And also the braided low pony I wore out in California. And I can't tell you how much I love these wigs. They are on clearance. There may be a few left. Tessa in Sunkissed Rooted makes my list because she's such a cute curly style, and you can just have fun with her. I love everything about Sheer Passion. She is a complete 100% hand-tied wig, and the color is honey. All of my favorites. And finally, my favorite work style is Natalia in the exclusive color Sunlit Sable. I love her effortless curls. It just looks so beautiful. It's so easy. I can wear it with a headband and it looks so cute. And on these cold winter days, it looks so cute with a hat. I get compliments all the time.
So let me know if some of mine are some of your favorites too. And I just want to thank you all so much for being so wonderful to me in 2022, for being so supportive and helping my channel grow to almost 4,000 subscribers, which is beyond my wildest imagination. And I hope that my videos have been helpful to you, and I want to continue to put out content that will be helpful to you, my beautiful wig sisters, because like I said, I want us all to have our best hair day. All right, cheers to 2023 and the best hair ever. Bye-bye.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Thanks again, everyone. I'll see you soon.